Something is happening right now, at this very moment, as you listen to this voice. The universe is expanding. Galaxies are drifting apart. Space itself is stretching, and the distance between everything is silently growing. But that's not the real mystery. The real mystery is, where is it expanding into? There is no wall, no edge, not even a clear outside. And yet, everything is moving apart. This question has haunted the greatest minds in history. What is the universe expanding into? To understand this, we must go back to the very beginning. Around 13.8 billion years ago, everything that exists today, every galaxy, every star, every atom, was compressed into a single point. A point so small, so dense, that the laws of physics break down. This moment is known as the Big Bang. But here's the truth that most people misunderstand. The Big Bang was not an explosion in space. It was the expansion of space itself. There was no center, no direction, no place where it happened, because everywhere was the Big Bang. In the first fraction of a second, the universe expanded faster than the speed of light. This phase is called inflation. In less than a blink, the universe grew from something smaller than an atom to something vast beyond imagination. Then, it slowed down. Particles formed, atoms appeared, stars ignited, galaxies were born, and for billions of years, the universe kept expanding. Then, in 1929, a scientist made a discovery that changed everything. He observed that galaxies are moving away from us. And not just moving. The farther they are, the faster they recede. This means something incredible. It's not that galaxies are flying through space, it's that space itself is stretching. Imagine a balloon with dots drawn on its surface. As the balloon inflates, every dot moves away from every other dot. But here's the key idea. The dots are not moving across the surface. The surface itself is expanding. Now here's the part that breaks the human mind. If the universe is expanding, what is it expanding into? A room? A void? Something beyond? The answer is none of the above. The universe is not expanding into anything, because space itself is what's expanding. There is no outside, no container, no edge. The concept of outside the universe may not even make sense. Now things get even more mysterious, because the expansion is not slowing down. It's speeding up. Something unseen, something unknown, is pushing the universe to expand faster and faster. Scientists call it dark energy. We don't know what it is. We can't see it. We can't touch it. But we know it exists because of what it does. It makes up nearly 70% of the entire universe, and it's changing the fate of everything. In the far future, this acceleration will have terrifying consequences. Galaxies will drift so far apart that their light will never reach us. The night sky will go dark. Stars will burn out, and eventually, even atoms themselves may be torn apart. This possible future is called the Big Freeze, or even the Big Rip, a universe that expands forever until nothing remains connected. But here's the deepest mystery of all. Is our universe the only one? Or is it just one among many? Some theories suggest that our universe is like the surface of a sphere, finite, but with no edge. You could travel forever and never find a boundary. Others suggest there may be multiple universes, a multiverse, endless realities, each with its own laws of physics. And then there is the most unsettling idea of all. Maybe there is nothing outside the universe. Not empty space, not darkness, but the complete absence of anything. No time, no space, no existence. And if that is true, then the question itself, what is outside the universe, may be meaningless, because outside does not exist. The universe is not expanding into something. It is creating space itself. It is rewriting reality moment by moment. And we are inside it, living, observing, questioning, a mystery we may never fully understand. So the next time you look at the night sky, remember this. Every star you see is moving away from you. Every second, the universe becomes bigger, colder, lonelier, and yet more fascinating than ever. So tell me, do you think there is something beyond the universe, or nothing at all? And if there is nothing, can the human mind ever truly understand it?